Hello.
No.
Hello?
No.
Who's there?
No.
Who are you talking to? Who is it?
No. Send it. Send it.
Who's there? Hello?
Is it
No.
Grandpa?
No. No.
Hello?
No.
Who's there?
Is it a cow?
Mm.
Or is it a froggy? Is it a froggy?
Oh,
Thanks for sharing.
thank you.
Send it.
You're such a good boy.
Is it a froggy on the phone? Get the phone. Get the phone. Who is it?
Can you
No.
give it to mommy?
Hello. It's for Tyler. Say hello.
Send it.
Tyler, what's a froggy do? Do it again.
What does a froggy do? What does a cow say? Tyler, what does a lion say? Roar.
What's the lion do?
Roar.
What's a lion say? What's a froggy do?
What does a froggy say?
What's a froggy say?
What does a kitty cat say?
No.
Yeah.
What's
Jump.
what's a cow do?
What does a cow say? You can jump. Yay!
No.
Hello?
No.
Hello?
Oh, it's for me. Yeah. Here's Tyler. Yeah, here he is. It's Grandma.
Send it.
It's Grandma.
Send it.
Or Nana.
Nana. Nana.
Papa.
Papa.
Alex.
Alex.
Say Kellen.
Alex.
Alex, yeah.